Hello and welcome. My name is Roland Eberhard and today I'm going to show you the brand new Eaton RSC 165. Our brand new two-way component system, a top performer. Flat design and high performance are no longer mutually exclusive. The new RSC 165 combines absolute sound performance with installation-friendly dimensions, making it our top performer in this class. Let's start with the newly developed 165mm base mid-range driver. The die-cast aluminium basket is extremely torsion-resistant and extra ventilated thanks to its Eaton typical double strut design. The flat basket construction in combination with the extremely powerful motor results in a sensational flat installation depth of just 60mm. Because of this, it's the ideal driver for easy installation. The large and powerful ferrite magnet sits between a CNC machine pole plate and base plate and has a large flow-optimized pole core for optimized ventilation. This ensures that the heat generated during continuous use is effectively dissipated into the environment. This guarantees long-term proven optimal cooling of the driver, even at high levels. The heavy-duty 32mm voice coil drives the newly developed high-tech cone on the front with powerful dynamics. The latter is an Eaton in-house development and unique in this form. The multi-layer sandwich cone is extremely light and torsion-resistant thanks to its special shape and ribbed stiffness. It consists of an open-port aramid fiber fleece on the front, which has been pressed together with a hard foam core on a paper carrier to form a sandwich cone. The open-port diffuse surface is highly damping and prevents unwanted vibrations and interference. This allows for the highest level of detail and sound quality. An anodized concave aluminum dust cap sits in the center of the speaker. It is connected to the coil flange and also serves as a heatsink. The new RSC 165 base mid-range drivers deliver the highest level of sound quality, producing the finest details with precision and high resolution. Extremely powerful bass strokes and punches with the necessary fun factor. The RSC 165 base mid-range drivers have an RMS power handling capacity of 70 watts and a music power handling capacity of 120 watts at an impedance of 4 ohms. Next up are the new 25mm aluminium ceramic tweeters. These small masterpieces of engineering have it all. 3-layer dome construction with coupling, volume and special voice coil ventilation. In addition, the tweeters are equipped with our own RCFS technology, a special shaping of the coupling volume to avoid possible reflections in the volume housing. This ensures a mature and ultra-precise sound character with a sensational detail reproduction. Finest details and nuances are contoured and reproduced unobtrusively. A top-class tweeter that is easy to install thanks to a cable crossover. The crossover filters the high-frequency signal with a slope of 6 dB and also features a level adjustment of +2 dB. The set includes surface-mounted and flush-mounted enclosures with swivel and tilt functions, as well as installation accessories. Our top performer is not only easy to install thanks to its flat design, it is also highly efficient. This means there are no power-consuming crossover components in the signal chain. Thanks to the sophisticated design and tuning of the mid-bass driver, no additional crossover is required. The driver is self-limiting due to its design and enables lively sound reproduction with maximum efficiency. Only the tweeters require a cabled crossover, which is included in the set. The new RSC 165 is, of course, made in Germany and embodies all our requirements for a high-quality speaker system. It is ideal for anyone who wants to enjoy maximum sound performance, even at high volume. Well, that's all for now. We are at the end of our product presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please leave us a like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell. Then you will always be notified when a new video is posted on our channel. Or maybe you just let yourself be convinced by the sound of the new RSC 165 at your local Eaton dealer. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.